Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing the tier size and location so you know whether a patch or replacement is needed. Measure the longest edge in inches, then select a patch slightly larger than the hole. This provides secure overlap. Once you have mesh, adhesive, or spline tools, scissors, and a roller, trim any loose strands and clean the area with mild soap. Make sure the surface is fully dry before applying adhesive. This prevents trapping dirt and ensures the patch bonds properly. You now attach the patch, starting at the center of the tier and working outward. Cut the patch with about 1/2 inch overlap on every side so it covers stress points. If using adhesive, spread a thin, even bead, then press the patch down. If your door uses spline, lift the frame edge, feed patch under groove, and reseat spline. Once in place, smooth with a roller from the center to the edges to eliminate bubbles and ensure consistent contact. You finish by trimming excess mesh flush with the frame once the adhesive cures. Use scissors carefully and avoid nicking the spline. Reinstall any trim and test the door's operation to confirm the patch stays flat and seals out insects. If you notice lifting at corners or bubbles, make sure the area was dry, then lift the edge, reapply adhesive, and clamp for the recommended cure time. If that fails, replace the spline or use a larger patch to distribute tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.